Well, I was just about to say, I folded that seat up so that I have my beer holder, but I got Kevin. Kev, can you hold that beer for me? Thank you very much. I plow on the way, Jay, but we're going to be late.
We're good.
I can hammer that. That was good, Bert. Did you see us go down the driveway? Yeah. See your old man? We fishtailed 3 times, man. I got lucky.
Once I put her in 2-wheel drive and take it off eco mode.
Starts getting hushed.
It's got a really cool drift doing that driveway now.
What are the odds, boys?
Dude, how'd that green bin just get knocked over? He already went by. That's okay, it's just...
Oh, there he is. Nobody put their shit out. He's just driving by. You gonna grab yours?
Fucking catch that motherfucker, man. No, or what?
Catch him?
No, he's already fucking threw a bag in. He's going to the next house.
Just a bag.
Yeah, fuck it, man. Bring it home, man.
What about your gear?
I don't know if the blue bin's been taken yet or not. Your eyes work well enough.
But your empty shit. You want to just leave it there?
That's not my.
Throw it in the trunk. Oh, it's not yours.
If it was mine, we wouldn't be rushing to put the gun.
Heads up for traffic for me.
That's good, me. You're gonna be. It's okay. Oh shit. Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's get fucking.
Up in this one, Jay, there's not one on that side, right?
Yeah, there is, man. It's just not tall enough. The driveway's already done, bro. You put it in place. Yeah, you're not plowing early. Whoa, yeah.
I keep hearing that.
Yeah, you don't want to hear that ever. Watch. Now hit the gas. You want to scoop that? You do whatever you want. You got it. Just don't lift the blade too high. It's gonna be fun the way he drops it. He's never done it before. So. Yeah. Your beer's in the cup holder.
How you gonna push that cup that way?
Hey, quit lifting the plow until you stop.
Huh?
Quit lifting the plow until you stop. Up, so you're pushing it all in. Lots there.
No, okay.